In this video, I'm going to show you how to zoom in Google Play Books. First of all, open your Google Play Books app. Once you're inside, tap on the library option at the bottom of your screen, and you'll see all of your books listed here. The method to zoom works the same whether you're trying it on a PDF or an ebook. For this demonstration, I'm opening a PDF. The simplest way to zoom in is by placing two fingers on your screen and spreading them away from each other, which will zoom into the page. Once you've zoomed in, you can tap and drag your finger around to move and see different parts of the page. However, keep in mind that if you zoom in and then swipe to the next page, the zoom level will reset and zoom back out. To make sure your zoom stays the same across pages, simply tap in the center of your page. You'll then see the font settings icon appear at the top of your screen. Tap on it, and within these options, look for and enable the Remember Zoom feature. By turning this on, your zoom level will remain the same even after you swipe to the next page, ensuring a consistent reading experience. Besides using the pinch method, you also have the option to double tap on a section of your screen, and it will automatically zoom into that area. This can be handy if you quickly want to focus on a specific part of the text. And that's how you can easily zoom in and control the zoom settings in Google Play Books to improve your reading experience.